So the walk is down this way. You see the path there, winding path, down the steps, up there, and to the end. The people look like specks. Let's do this. Oh, these steps are weird. What have we taken on today? Look at that. This path is incredible. Look at that for a climb back. We have that to look forward to. Oh, spectacular. Everywhere. Lucky the sun's out actually. It's meant to be raining. And it's turned out absolutely stunning. Perfect weather. Look at it down there. I'm feeling funny getting close to it. My God. Well, there's no one sat on the beach. I wonder why. Ooh, giving me funny feelings. It's magic. Fabuloso. I could spend all afternoon here, but we're already making good progress. We've come from that hut up there. Not a bad spot for a picnic, is it? Oh, I see the lighthouse. Yeah, look at it. Down there. Doesn't feel too far after all. Oops. Yeah, right. We're at the lighthouse cabin. Someone's blowing a trumpet. You know, this was built in 1900. It's 121 years old. Probably not occupied now. Would you fancy being stuck in a lighthouse? Alright.
Right.
Anything down there?
Have a look, I don't know.
Just been snooping around for about half an hour and they said, have a look. I don't know. Look at that. Like a big trumpet. I'm sure he was on there, on the roof. Unfortunately, it's locked. I forgot to let them know that we're coming. You know, we haven't got an invite. Anybody in there? We just want to come in, have a look. I want to snoop around. Wow, there's flies. Look at that. What do you see? Do you think anybody's in there? Well, with all those flies, I doubt it. I think this lighthouse needs pest control. But I think there's some people like broke in, urban explorers, and they've had a few beers in there. I'm sweating like crazy. My God, some people down there fishing or doing something. For now, the only time in my life, goodbye, the Neist Lighthouse. Those two geezers I saw before, they were blowing the trumpet, they were climbing the walls, they were on the roof. Top bit. It's nice to get to a flat part. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We got all this to go, yeah. Look at that beach. Isn't it incredible? That's all wet. Let's go for the top, the most steepest part of this walk. I bet it's looking fabulous, isn't it, behind me? Fabulous. This guy's running down. Hop, skip, and a jump. Absolutely. Wow. I can't believe we were just at the lighthouse before. Sipping through those windows. And now we're at the pinnacle. Yeah, right. Sharing the views with those two. As close as I want to go. Otherwise, you won't see this video. Let's just go look at the view where these two people were sat. Just here. Wow, that's somewhere else, isn't it? Look at that. What a sight. anybody's brave enough to go down there, we're fighting against gravity. Absolutely incredible. I'm at a happy place now. The sun's shining, feeling great. All of a sudden, I'm in no rush anymore. Time stopped for a little while. That cove is incredible. Let's go back to the car.